In this video, you are going to learn about relation between roots of quadratic equation and coefficients. The relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then alpha is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. When we find the sum of these roots, alpha plus beta is equal to, put the values of alpha and beta, minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a plus minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. When we solve the numerator, we get minus b minus plus minus b minus 2b, and under root b square minus 4ac minus under root b square minus 4ac gets cancelled. Therefore, in numerator we get minus 2b upon 2a, that is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, means sum of the roots of the quadratic equation is equal to minus b upon a. Now alpha into beta, that is the product of the roots. Alpha into beta is equal to, again put values of alpha and beta and take the product, minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a into minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. In denominator 2a into 2a, 4a square. In numerator minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac into minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac. Now this is in the form a plus b into a minus b, and we know identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here a is equal to minus b and b is under root b square minus 4ac. Therefore the numerator becomes b square minus, in bracket, b square minus 4ac upon 4a square, that is equal to 4ac, as b square minus b square gets cancelled. 4ac upon 4a square, that is equal to c upon a. Alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0, then find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Here you have to find the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation and product. Comparing the equation 2x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 6, c is equal to minus 5. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, we know this is, and put the values, minus b value is 6 upon a value 2, that is equal to minus 3. Alpha into beta is equal to c upon a is equal to, c value is minus 5 upon a value 2. Therefore answer is minus 5 upon 2. Find k if sum of the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 4k x plus k plus 3 is equal to 0 is double the product. The equation is x square minus 4kx plus, in bracket I have put k plus 3 because it is the constant term c, is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4k, c is equal to k plus 3. If alpha and beta are roots of the quadratic equation, according to the given condition, what is the condition given here? Sum of the roots of the quadratic equation means alpha plus beta is, that is equal to double the product. Double means 2 product alpha into beta. Therefore see the first equation, alpha plus beta is equal to 2 into alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, put the values of b and a, we get minus, then minus 4k upon 1, as b value is minus 4k and a value is 1, answer 4k. Alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, that is c value is k plus 3 upon a value 1, that is k plus 3. Put these values in equation 1, as alpha plus beta value is 4k, therefore 4k is equal to 2 into alpha beta value is k plus 3, that is 4k minus 2k is equal to 6. When we solve this, we get this equation. 2k is equal to 6, therefore k is equal to 3. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0, find the value of alpha square plus beta square. The equation is y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Here we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 7. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a is equal to, therefore, minus b value is then minus 2 upon a value is 1. Minus minus multiplication plus, therefore 2 upon 1, answer 2. Alpha into beta, c upon a is equal to, therefore, minus 7 upon 1 is equal to minus 7. But we have to find alpha square plus beta square. Therefore, write alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. As we know, when we solve alpha plus beta bracket square, we get alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, and then we subtract minus 2 alpha beta, we get only the terms alpha square plus beta square there. Now put the values there. Alpha plus beta, that is 2, its square, minus 2 into alpha beta value is minus 7. Therefore alpha square plus beta square is equal to 4 plus 14, that is equal to 18. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0, find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. The equation is y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 7. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a is equal to, therefore, minus b value minus 2 upon a value 1, that is equal to 2. Alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, that is c value minus 7 upon a value 1, that is equal to minus 7. We have to find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha beta in bracket alpha plus beta. As we know the identity, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab alpha minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to, put the value alpha plus beta, that is 2, its cube minus 3 into alpha beta value minus 7 into 2, as alpha plus beta is 2. Therefore, it becomes 8 plus 42 is equal to 50. Therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 50. Find the value of k if the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to k, c is equal to 12. We have to find the value of delta, that is b square minus 4ac. Put the values of a, b, c to get b square minus 4ac. Therefore, it becomes k square minus 4 into c, a value is 3, c value 12. Therefore, delta is equal to k square minus 144. As the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal, we know that delta, that is b square minus 4ac value is 0. Therefore, k square minus 144 is equal to 0. Now shift minus 144 to the right side, we get k square is equal to 144, that is k is equal to plus or minus 12 by taking the square root of it. Therefore, the value of k is 12 or minus 12. Find the value of k if the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. Kx in bracket kx minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. As the equation is k, x into x minus 2 is in bracket solid, that is kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. A is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k, c is equal to 6. Delta value find, b square minus 4ac, that is minus 2k bracket square minus 4 into k into 6 by putting values of b, a, c. Delta is equal to, therefore, 4k square minus 24k. Therefore, the roots, as the roots are real and equal, we know that b square minus 4ac delta value is 0. Therefore 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. Now take 4k as the common term, and then in bracket remains k minus 6 is equal to 0. That is 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6, but k is equal to 0 is not possible, because when we put k is equal to 0, then it will not be quadratic equation. Therefore k is equal to 6 is the valid value. I hope you understood the relation between roots of quadratic equation, and that is alpha, beta and the coefficients. Thank you.